81 number question কি বলছে, on which of the following the date and dates the winter the solstice is the observed to northern hemisphere? Number 1 21 ডিসেম্বর, নাম্বার 2 5th আগস্ট, নাম্বার 3 10th জানুয়ারি। তো চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, only one, that 21 December, that is the date winter solstice is observed to northern hemisphere. 81 number question to explain the winter solstice in the astronomical phenomena that marking the day with the shortest period of the daylight and the longest night of the year. In the northern hemisphere this is the December solstice, and the southern hemisphere this is the June solstice. 21 December is the winter solstice in northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere it the summer solstice and the longest day of the year. Next question, 82 number question, Oxbow lake to our form when the river is, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, at a very low gradient this Oxbow lake and form when is the river. 82 number question, explain an Oxbow lake, an U-shaped body of a water that is from when a wide is meander from the main stream of the river is the cut off, creating of the freestanding body of the water. The river to continues to the stator of the path and the meander of the abandoned Oxbow lake in the distinctive and features of the lower course of the river to when it has to very low and gradient and the mainly engage the depositional works. Next question, 83 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the pair is the correct? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি ঠিক? Number B, 23.5 degrees south and Tropic of Capricorn is the correct. 83 number question to explain the Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degrees south of the equator. It is the circle of latitude of that is contained the subsolar to find of the December solstice. It is the north and southernmost to latitude where the sun can directly overhead. The northern equivalent is the Tropic of Cancer. Next question, 84 number question কি বলছে, from which one of the following the continent all three latitude is equator, Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn of us? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, Africa. This is the following the continent of the three latitude equator of Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn of us. 84 number question, explain do Africa is the only continent that is the intersected the prime meridian and equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Next question, 85 number question কি বলছে, what are the imaginary line in encircling the earth to horizontally called? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, latitude, the imaginary line and encircling the earth to horizontally called. 85 number question, explain imaginary to line to drawn into parallel to the equator which the run the east to west horizontally on earth's surface to are called the latitude. Latitude is the angle which the ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north or south at this the pole. It is the used together with the longitude and the specify the precise to location to of the features to on the surface of the earth. Next question, 86 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the mountain range and separate to Europe and Asia? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Ural mountain range with the mountain range is separate to Europe to Asia. 86 number question to explain. The Ural mountain is the primary mountain range in the divided to Europe and Asia. It run approximately from the north and south through the western Russia, from the coast the Arctic Ocean to the Ural River and the northern western to Kazakhstan. That in causes to mountain also separate to Europe and Asia. Next question. 87 number question কি বলছে ম্যাচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং দ্য মাউন্টেন কন্টিনেন্ট এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে নাম্বার সি তো মাউন্টেন কন্টিনেন্টে মাউন্ট এটনা কোনটি হবে নাম্বার বি নাম্বার ইউরোপ হবে মাউন্টেন এটনা হচ্ছে ইউরোপ মাউন্ট যেটা আছে সেটা হবে হচ্ছে তোমার এশিয়া K2 আর মাউন্টেন কিলিমাঞ্জারো সেটা হবে আফ্রিকা নেক্সট কোশ্চেন 87 number question to explain the Mount Etna and the active 2 is volcano on the east coast of the Sicily, Italy, Europe. Mount K2, the second highest mountain in the world, located on the China-Pakistan border in Asia. Mount Kilimanjaro is dormant volcano of Tanzania and Africa. Next question. 88 number question কি বলছে who proposed the continental to drift theory এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে Number A, Alfred Wegener that proposed the continental the drift theory. 88 number question explain the continental drift is the movement of the earth continents that related to each other thus appearing to drift across the ocean bed. The concept was independently and fully developed by the Alfred Wegener in 1912. The idea in continental drift has been to suspend by the theory of the plate tectonics, which is the explains how to continent the move. Next question. 89 number question কি বলছে one of the following is not to resort to underground water action এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে Number D, fjords. One of the following is not to result to underground water action. 89 number question explain the geography. A fjord is the long as narrow the inlet with the steep side of the cliff that created in the valley curve and the glacial activity. A fjord in form to when a glacier cut an U-shape to valley by ice to segregation and the evaporation of the surrounding the bedrock, glacial to melting to accompanied by the rebound to earth crust as the ice to load and eroded sediment is the removed. Both the whole the coast in Norway and the Iceland and Greenland to have too many fjords. Next question. 90 number question কি বলছে which among the following is the first about the earth এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে Number A, it is the densest planet with the pulse of the earth. Next 90 number question explain the Mars is often to refer to as the red planet because the iron oxide prevalent on its surface to give it the reddish appearance. It is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after to Mercury.